Mining iron ore in the Pilbara is hard, yeah. It's a harsh environment. We're 50 degrees plus in summer. It gets cold in winter. Materials abrasive. The roads take their toll on the equipment, but the trucks have performed. So we can't ask any more in the product than that.
Liebherr T264 performance, particularly with regard to payload delivery, has been very reliable throughout this project. What we're looking for in our machinery is that it can withstand those extremes of temperature, presence of dust, wet weather conditions, as well as hauling some serious dirt.
Well, it's a challenging site. T264s have provided certainly an efficient outcome and also a product that is very much favoured by the operator from a comfort level.
I love operating the Liebherr trucks, nice and smooth over the pit floors and on the road. The cabs are more comfortable than other trucks. The Liebherrs are a lot more stable over rocky floors, bumpy floors, which provides more comfort to us being sitting down 12 hours a day.
We have on-site support from Liebherr 7 days a week. The support from Perth has been phenomenal. The availability for the machines has been around 88%, which is what our target is for the business, so they perform really well.
This site in particular, supporting Thiess, we've just integrated 4 more trucks coming to site. 3 of them have been repowered with the Liebherr engine, the D98. They're literally just getting commissioned as we speak, and they'll be heading out to work, and it's quite an exciting time.
Thiess and Liebherr have a long-term relationship globally, and certainly we see that strength and presence now within the western region of Australia. We certainly see an opportunity to build on that well into the future.